guys, in this video we're checking out the 90 euros keyboard charge 5. So I paid actually 90 euros and 10 euros shipping. Yeah, to also give that guy a little bit of extra. So the funny thing is, he kinda collected this, I think, with points. So with some places you can collect points and then you can buy speakers with the points. And that's probably also the reason why he doesn't have the warranty. So I told the guy, like, I will take the risk and I will buy it. So first impression was, he packed it very well, a lot of package around it, so he kept it very well protected. I already cut open the clip or the plastic here, but it was unopened, so he didn't open it up. It was just like sealed. He sent it right away to me, and it's a TL model. So maybe you can guys see it here, TL. So sadly no ND model. It's not that I don't like TL, it also sounds very good, but it would have been funny to have two TLs and two NDs, so I could also swap the fabric covers of the black one and the green one, for example. So the green one is really exotic to call it like that. So let's first take it open. So it's just like a new one, so he didn't open it up, so yeah, I'm just the first one to even take a look at it. And I must say, for 90 euros, yeah, it's really a great deal. Even with the shipping, 100 euros, it's good. Like, the normal price is around 170, 180 euros. So yeah, I saved a lot. And as you guys can see, it looks very good, just new, nothing bad about it. I still like black colors, I have to be honest. And also here you can see, it's the TL model. So on the package it says, and also on the speaker. So let's turn it on.